Alright guys, so I've totally redone my system for, I don't know, like the 5th time. Except, I haven't made a video of it in a while. I've told you now for probably a bunch of times I made a lot of updates, and I haven't really had time to share them with you, so here we go. So this is going to be the biggest change right here. Well, everything's new, but this is a big change right here. HFA, Hunter Fire Alarms. Oh, what is this? Adjustable fire alarm control panel. What? That's because I made a control panel. This is the Hunter Fire Alarms model HFA 9050UD. Or N9050UD, which stands for not 9050UD. But, yeah, that's the panel. It's pretty nice. And it does work. The only thing is I didn't put the LEDs in on top of there. I got the buttons right there. And let me open it up for you. Sometimes the panel sticks. I gotta put the lock in there. Once you open it, it's gonna open with a firelight lock. Let's see inside of it. It's got the whole thing. It's gonna have a bunch of LEDs going across the top. Yeah, duh, it needs it. There's the separate. There's the LED power because it's different power for LEDs. I didn't come up with that, but whatever. Now there's the smoke detector connection wires, which has the 9-volt power. And there's the panel wiring. The Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4, Zone 5, Zone 6, Zone 7, and Zone 8. Zone 1 is Z142. It would actually say P42, because it's a pole station, which is right here. Which is the adjustable silent night pole. See? Number 42. Yep. And right now the LED's not blinking because the system doesn't have power right now. So, if the system had power, the alarm would go off. But, it's not ready yet. I've tested it so far, so it works. And, yeah, so the smoke detector is the i3. I've got it used as the adjustable. I've made it adjustable, and I'm getting two new BG12s very soon. I can make those adjustable like I made it like that. So I'll have two dual action pole stations. I'm gonna replace this probably with a BG12L adjustable pole station. No, it's dual action. This one's single action, as you see. It pulls down. It doesn't push and pull down like most poles do. It's boring single action. So the buttons are acknowledge, step, alarm silence, drill, and system reset. Now this panel, you're probably like, wow, it does look like a lot like the Firelight 9050UD. It actually does, but it wasn't the point. I was just trying to mix up a bunch of panel looks together. That's still not done. I've got to put a keypad down here eventually. But, yeah, I just put a custom logo on there. Hunter Fire Alarm System. All systems normal. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I've got the System Sensor i3 smoke detector. Like normal. It's up there. And over here, for Zone 3, I have my Potter T-Bar, which isn't working right now because, duh, it's not adjustable. So I need to switch it out. I gotta make it adjustable with the module. And my Potter T-Bar broke, so when I get a brand new BG12 with the Allen wrench, I'm gonna replace that because it's broken. The Potter T-Bar's broken, sadly, because the hinge broke. The thing on the bottom, the hinge, kind of broke, sadly. So when you open it, the whole front comes off, which is kind of weird. Which kind of stinks too. But I've got the Advanced HR. Now I'm going to replace that with a 1224MC when I get it. P1224MC. It's the only thing I know that I'm getting for Christmas. As well as hopefully 2 new BG12s that I asked for. So let's hope it's going to come. So that's the panel, which is pretty darn cool. I like the panel. What and shut this. Yep. And yeah, duh, you can always see the screen through there. Put that there. Put my keys there. And that's the system. Yep, there's only one NAC right now. But there's 3 zones, which is pretty cool. 2 poles, 1 smoke detector, 1 alarm. It's pretty cool. And yeah, this panel is pretty darn big compared to my hand. Look at it. It's much bigger than my last panel was. My conventional panel, which is now not working properly, is far smaller than this one. Didn't even come close to it. But, yeah, there's some more fire alarm stuff. Yeah. So I'm actually going to have 3 of these pole stations. I'm going to have 1 single action and 2 dual action. The dual action ones will, be able to buy the one and only Firelight. Which, it has to come to Firelight. Firelight's the best. But, yeah. So that's the system. I hope you enjoyed system update video of the new adjustable system, and I'm soon to have a system test. Possibly. So, yeah. Get my keys. I won't pull that because that's broken. And yeah. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. See you later.